Yesterday missions check. Saturday, January 30, 2021, 9:58 a.m. in a rooftop house. Snow day of 4 degrees below zero. Today's work. Writing an English diary 2/3 page. Filming YouTube video and editing. Read or hear one chapter of English book. Do FaceTime English class for 30 minutes. When evening, don't eat stimulating foods and don't drink booze. Yesterday, did 9 hours work and restaurant sales wasn't bad. Only lunchtime was busy. And I didn't drink coffee during on break. And when I nearly ended work, manager asked me, "What do you do on tomorrow?" I have to FaceTime English class. And he and me talked about learn English. I knew manager's older sister lived in Australia. Anyway, last night I drank and eaten KFC chicken with watched YouTube videos, so I had stomachache again. And then immediately I went toilet and had a diarrhea. I regret it, but already stomach was broken. That was all my fault, because I hadn't suppressed my bad enjoyment. Sunday, January 31, 2021, 6:18 a.m. in a rooftop house. Sunny day of 3 degrees below zero. Today's work. Formation same to yesterday. But after lunch, then I'm going to do Baemin Connector. Yesterday I was off duty, but my stomach condition was bad, so I didn't went to the cafe. This means I didn't drink coffee and didn't heard classical music. So I was sad. But this matter was I made it. And until evening I drank Eon drink, and after that eaten a bologna rice porridge. But before eating porridge, then did FaceTime English class. I met again last tutor, and I tried to explain again about my mirror right, and finally she understood. During our class, we talked about family, because this is beginner curriculum, and I knew my tutor was married. His husband was born in Italy. Tutor's parents came from Italy, so she can speak 2 languages, and that name is bilingual. Monday, February 1, 2021, 6:37 a.m. in a rooftop house. Cloudy weather of 5 degrees. Today's work. 3 missions same to yesterday. But I'm going to do work because one kitchen staff requested me. Could you work only lunchtime instead of me? I have to go hospital. And I accepted it. Yesterday I was off duty, so that morning eaten vegetable gimbap, and after 30 minutes then I drank coffee at my rooftop house. and heard classical music of Greek and prepared for FaceTime English class. But I hadn't class time, so I should have got class, but I didn't. Anyway, after then, I did Baemin Connector at first time. Because if I do that, then I'm going to get promote money. So I waited for my AI dispatch delivery mission. But for 30 minutes and anything hadn't connected me. So I did general dispatch mode and I got missions.